Hey friends, just doing some makeup. Going to watch Patriots at our relative's house. Hi little Z.
I'm coming to you.
Look at Sophia's new little sweatshirt we got at Walmart.
And pants.
And pants.
I'll get a
So soft.
I have some more.
We just finished filming the video, opening this awesome Tsum Tsums. Look at the table, it's all filled with Play-Doh.
Ah.
But we got some really cute ones. Aww. But we do need to get more because we didn't finish our collection, so.
Hello.
That's Sophia's laugh today.
Yeah.
Do it again.
That's the silly Sunday laugh.
I can't. Silly Sunday laugh. Today's Sunday.
It is.
Look at Sophia's fluorescent pants. It's so cute. We are going to our relative's house to watch the game and eat pizza. Oh my god, look how many toys. It's like I cannot walk. Gabriel, I cannot walk in your room.
Me either. I like need to step over like this.
Wow.
Don't be the fool. As people alone.
It's like boy room heaven. Whoa, look at all those.
This is easy for me. Okay, today. Okay, today. Okay,
Yo,
today.
can I watch?
Ah! You know who are these people?
Who are these people? Tell me.
I don't know. So,
Oh, I like this one. That's a loving one, right? I think.
who?
This one?
This one?
Well, Kappa. Oh, Kappa.
This is my favorite.
That one is your favorite?
And the red.
7:40 a.m. and she needs to go to school, but she doesn't want to wake up. Oh, and yeah, she's sleeping in our bed because somebody decided that she didn't want to sleep in her own bed last night. Good morning. Look, she's like not even moving. Oh, look who's here, reindeer. You brought all the toys with you? Where's the little owl? We have Masha. And we have reindeer. And where's the little owl? Did you bring owl? Oh, you forgot. Owl. She brought all her toys with her. That's her 3 favorite toys. Let's say hi to subscribers. Aww, my little sunshine, my little cupcake. Good morning. Hey friends, so I just came to the gym. I'm gonna do a quick workout, some cardio probably because we ate a lot of food yesterday. Hi, little man. You. Are you ready to eat? You. That's my friend's hamster I'm babysitting. Isn't he cute? His name is Naffy. I found you. Hey, where do you think you're going? I found you. I found you. Hi. Oh, you tricked me this time, huh? You did. Playing hide and seek? That squirrel is so mad at me because I'm standing right next to her house. Hey friends, so today is my birthday and we are going to celebrate with Little Z and Daddy Z at RainForest Cafe.
Yay! Cool
She's
place.
coming.
There's the sign right on the wall right there. RainForest Cafe, where there's a big giant gorilla and a big giant what? Elephant, yeah, elephant. Alright, we'll see you inside, guys.
Here we are.
Whoa, cool, look at this place. I don't know if you guys ever been to the RainForest Cafe, but this place is awesome. Oh, you see his eyes move. What?
Oh, here we go.
He looks like he might be hungry.
Uh-oh, he's eating up.
Here he comes. Open up that mouth.
That's real.
It's not real, but it looks like it, huh?
Who's that?
Ooh, snakey. Cool fish
That's
tank.
not
Whoa, look at this fish tank, guys. It's like the aquarium. Right, Munchkin? Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? It goes right up over our heads.
Where's the fish though? Must be cooking.
Oh, they're on the menu, I think.
They're home.
Hey guys, we're walking into the RainForest Cafe.
I see a home.
See what?
A home.
Oh, they're home in there?
Yeah, see?
Alright. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at the ceiling. Like outer space ceiling.
It is cute. Sophie, let me see this monster drink. It's huge. It's so big.
I didn't know it was that big.
Me either.
She made it rainbow slush inside.
His eyes are turning red. You can see his face.
Whoa.
What is it?
Oh, price at the
Baby
bottom?
frog on the bottom.
A baby frog.
It looks like a blind bag, but you can see it.
I know.
What happened to MamaZ's? Smile. Oh, her teeth are really yellow. You're not brushed today?
This is a lemon.
It's a lemon. Lemon tooth.
Hope you guys have umbrellas with you.
It's gonna rain. Here comes the rain, ready?
So today we are celebrating my birthday with family and friends. There's some appetizers and this is the cake. They messed up. They were supposed to put 72. This is the cake. Look how yummy it is. And my little flowers and Sophia's fairy garden and some presents right there and little Z's right here.
Is that, are you 7 or 22?
I'm 27. One little Z. Mwah.
I turned my brain on.
You gotta turn your brain on. I'm gonna make a wish. I have a long one, so wait.
Alright, gotta make it quick. No Russian.
If you like our videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Toy Daycare. Thank you very much.